Take a ride in the 2016 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find trip computer, great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.